Alright guys, so here's what we're looking at today. I've seen a lot of questions about Monero lately, especially from anyone who's already holding crypto and just wants to swap it into XMR without turning it into a whole project. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you. It really doesn't matter whether you're starting with Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, or almost any other crypto. And if you're already using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or another wallet like that, you don't really need to change anything before getting started. So getting regular tokens is easy. Getting into Monero somehow ends up feeling completely different. You start searching around, open a few tutorials, and before you know it, you're reading about separate wallets, extra software, different tools, and you're thinking there has to be an easier way than this. So I spent a little time comparing different options, tested a few services myself, and eventually settled on this one because it kept everything in one place. No unnecessary preparation, no extra conversions before the actual swap. So let's walk through it together. Over here, I'll choose the crypto I'm exchanging. One thing I immediately liked about this platform was not having to think about supported networks every 5 minutes. Everything I normally use is already here, so I can start with the asset I already have instead of making another swap just to prepare for this one. Okay, now I'll enter the amount, and estimated XMR updates instantly, so I already know roughly what I'll receive before confirming anything. If we move down a little, you'll also see the current Monero exchange rates against different cryptocurrencies. I mostly use that just for a quick comparison before swapping. All right, next I connect my wallet. Here, I pick the network and choose the wallet I'm sending from. Okay, confirmation window comes up. Here I always spend a few seconds checking amount, wallet address, and network one last time, and then confirm it. Okay, and that's it. XMR just arrived. And honestly, that's the reason I've stuck with this method. Whole process stays simple every single time. I don't have to jump between different platforms or prepare another token before I can even start, or install extra software just because I want to exchange into Monero. Everything happens in one flow, which makes the entire swap feel a lot more straightforward. So, hope seeing the whole process on screen makes it easier if you're doing this for the first time yourself. If there's anything you want me to explain in more detail, just leave a comment below and I'll take a look. I've been using this platform for the past few weeks whenever I need to swap into XMR, and it's been consistently smooth from one transaction to the next. And before we finish, one quick thought. In crypto, a clean interface is nice, but that's never the reason I keep using a service. What matters is whether it keeps doing the job without surprises. That's why I always test different assets, different networks, and multiple transactions before I ever mention a platform on this channel. After using this one enough times myself, I'm comfortable recommending it to anyone looking for a simple way to exchange crypto into Monero. All right guys, thanks for hanging out.